You know it's made with 8 grams of whole grain and is a good source of fiber. All they know is it tastes good. Eggo Nutri-Grain waffles.
There he goes. Storm. He just doesn't grasp the idea of toys yet. What? So baby.
I think he wants you to pick him up.
He was suckling on my neck this morning. Oh, he loves this. He just, oh, he loves that. Okay. Ouch. Sharp claws. What? Oh, baby. What? Okay, okay. What? Are you hungry again? You want to eat? Baby? You hungry? Oops. The problem is I don't know how fast Mommy's milk comes out. Is that it? No? Okay. Now he's getting that hair. Say. Yeah. Good for that little belly. He'll turn his head soon. Yep, there you go. Do you want more? More? Nope. Okay. All right. What? What?
His booger's dried up.
Say hi. Say hi. You have very